So in this video, I am going to show you on how to restore your boards from your Pinterest. So very first, you need to open your web browser on your device. And once you opened it, in this case, I'm using the Google Chrome. After that, you need to redirect to pinterest.com. And once you're in, log in using your account and go to the profile section located at the top right corner of the screen, which is this. After that, you will see your saved ideas below, which is I have it a one board right here, which is the anime guys. So for example, I'm going to delete this board. So I'm going to click the pencil icon, scroll down and click the delete. And do you want to delete this board? Delete. And if you wanted to restore or redo that action, you're just going to scroll down and you will see the recently deleted boards. So basically, it will be permanently deleted after 7 days. So you cannot recover your boards after 7 days. So in this case, I just recently deleted it. So we are going to click the restore boards located right here at the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, you will select which board that you wanted to restore. But in this case, I only have one here. So I will just click it right there and click the restore button. And your board is now restored.